Okay, I am back with the second video in my series for studying for the Platform Developer 2 exam. I've already taken the Apex Super Badge work, and I felt that going through the study guide was good, but actually implementing the material is a lot better. So I'm just recording some of the features from the study guide in actual practice. And the next one here that I have is custom metadata. Now, there are a lot of different ways that can be used. Custom metadata can be used in packages. I know AppExchange packages, when developers use custom metadata in configuring a lot of the data for when they deploy, and they can lock down these metadata values from the end users and the end organizations. And there's a lot of different ways they can be used. In my opinion, the best way to use it is as kind of like a global variable. So here, what I did was use it for a business case, and I created one for salary. And what I can do here is create maximum and minimum values for a salary. And I know that sometimes job descriptions, they have these maximum and minimum values that need to be provided by law. So I just went ahead and created custom metadata values for them. And here you can see that I created two different fields. One is for accounting, one is for finance. And as if you saw the first video, you know that I had accounting and finance departments as examples in the job custom object. So here we have a minimum value of 75,000, maximum of 100,000. I believe finance is slightly different. So what I did was created some Apex that would look at the department, pass that department value, whether finance or accounting, and it could be marketing, sales, whatever. Look at that value, it passes it in to the method that gets these custom metadata values and returns the actual value from the record. So what I'm going to do is switch on over to the Apex, and I'll show you what I have. So here basically it's just a simple method where we pass in a list of jobs, and if the department is not null, then we'll pass in that job department into the get instance method. And there are a lot of different ways you can grab the custom metadata values. You can return a map. I believe you can get a list. There are a lot of different ways. I decided to use the get instance, which actually returns an object. It returns the salary object. Here you see salary metadata type, and then it returns the entire object. And from that object, I just get the minimum salary and maximum salary from the finance object. Finance in this example. So let's go see it in the UI as usual. As you see here, we have finance with minimum and maximum salaries that are established. I'm just going to change this to accounting, and you can see the values change. Now, obviously this can get a lot more complex, but the purpose of it is, especially if you have a lot more business rules that aren't going to change often, but are getting used a lot. This can get used in formulas, get used in flows, get used in Apex, and you don't have to update the Apex to update these values. The other thing is, I've used in the past for custom metadata types used to hold API values, API keys, that kind of thing, where they're secure, nobody can see them, but yet they can be updated from the UI as opposed to going into the code, updating the code, and redeploying. So that's a quick one for today. Just wanted to show a quick use of the custom metadata type, and I will talk to you guys later. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye.